Hello and welcome to the fifth episode of Science with Sephina. Today we are going to be exploring what happens when you freeze Danimals. One day I decided to put my Danimals in the freezer, but was surprised to discover that the top had popped up once it was frozen. I had no idea how this could have happened, so I decided to research what may have caused it. I found many different articles about cold air, but they did not uncover a solution. In fact, they proved the opposite of what happened, saying that cold air is dense and can be packed into a smaller space. Obviously, this couldn't have caused the cover to come out. Eventually, I came upon several articles stating that water expands when it freezes, and considering that the second ingredient in Danimals smoothies is water, I believe that this is the answer. The reason why frozen water expands is because the hydrogen bonds force the water molecules into a hexagonal shaped web with a bunch of holes in them. This makes it less dense than liquid water, but the molecules flow freely. This is also the reason why ice floats in water. What I believe happens when you freeze Danimals is that the water expands and leaves no room for the air inside the container, and it is therefore pushed out. But since there is nowhere for it to go, it creates a bulge in the foil top instead. This little experiment shows the interesting properties in water, and was cool to discover as well. After all, if water did not expand when frozen, ice would sink, leaving oceans a big solid pool, killing all life that live in it. I wouldn't actually recommend freezing Danimals, since it is quite hard to get out of the container, but it is cool to see the foil come up, and you can always put it back into the fridge afterwards. Comment below what you think happened. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching!